कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में ये अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी, ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends. We welcome all of you to our webinar series, Business Opportunity with Chai. This is a platform through where we are representing today the big business opportunity for all the investors, those who have joined us for this particular session. This is 45-minute session where first we'll talk about the business opportunities. We have invited the brand team to talk about their opportunity with all of you. Then we'll move towards a panel discussion. This particular webinar is hosted by Sonia ma'am and Gaurav sir, both part of management team from Franchise India. And the business opportunity which we are representing today through this webinar is Masonite Door. It's world's leading manufacturer of interior and exterior door. We have invited Mr. Shankar and Mr. Ali to talk about this business opportunity. We also welcome and invite Mr. Anshul Bansal, who will be taking us through the entire presentation for Masonite Door. So thank you so much, Shankarji. Thank you so much, Aliji, for joining in today. May I request Anshul to start with the formal introduction?
Sure. Thank you very much, Rachna. So we'll quickly go to our presentation. Good afternoon, friends. Today we're representing this brand called Masonite Doors. From an introduction point of view, Masonite is a US-based company and a listed company in US. One of the largest companies in this category with presence across 60 countries. In India, it is represented by the company called SM Corporation as a master distributor for their products in Indian market, right? So while talking about franchise association, the franchise association would be with SM Corporation, and which is representing Masonite in India, right? So we'll go through this presentation today, which will take us through 4 chapters. And as you can see, the images also, the doors are actually used for indoor purposes, within the house. And you would see most of these pictures that we've used in this presentation also showcase the key applications of these doors within the residential, office spaces, hospitality, and many other places, right? In this presentation, we will also talk about how this product is better than other products that are used for door production today, like wood, UPVC, plastic doors, and many other raw materials used. So we'll talk about that in detail. Let's first have a look at the brand presentation. So first we will talk about Masonite USA, the parent company. Okay. So Masonite is a designer, manufacturer, and distributor of interior and exterior door for new construction, right? And as I said, this is present in 60 countries, currently serving over 8,500 customers, both B2C and B2B customers put together. And it works through a network of local dealers and home improvement retailers in America. Very strong in North America and European markets, right? In the year 2020, the company clocked an annual turnover of $2.3 billion, which is huge in terms of their numbers, right? And established a leadership position across product categories in North America. If you look at the two charts here, North America residential is a major segment. 73% of their sales would come through residential, which is, again, I would say residential means both individual houses plus the residential projects done by real estate developers, builders that you see. And while we will talk about the financial structure for our franchise partners, you will see we have put margins for both the opportunities in India as well. Right. So three layers of the production. One is, of course, the component production, which is used to assemble the doors, then slab assembly, and then door fabrication itself. Right. Very large in terms of their production facilities spread across North America and 4 plants in UK also. Right. So that brings us to our second section, which is talking about SM Corporation India. And again, as you see in this picture also, this is a door, which is shown inside the house. Like a more like a separation between two rooms. So here I would also like to invite Shankarji to talk about a little bit in terms of the product itself. We understand this is a high density fiber product. So Shankarji, I would like you to talk about how this product is better than a wood or a UPVC or plastic doors that we see in the market today. Shankarji, you're on mute actually. You're on mute, please.
No, okay.
Yes, please.
Yeah. This is a Masonite doors. This is a skin molded doors actually. So skin will be come by Malaysia unit to India from to Chennai to our factory at Hyderabad, Medchal. That skin will be HDF skin, high density fiber skin. That is a skin looks like a solid door. With a solid door, we can make no like that. You can look will come. You can paint it. You can polish it. That with the skin will made a door. Keep it in the wood styles inside and filling with particle board. And both side put a design skin and will hydraulic pressing will press the door. Then as per sizes will separate to customers. That is the door actual. This is the where you will keep. It should look like a natural door. Natural door you can look will come. That is the door of quality. In this door you can paint and polish. Other doors you can't get this type of facility. This door you can paint it or polish it. On that basis, this door will become look out nice looking for atmosphere of your house. That is the door thing, Anshul.
Sure. That's helpful. So friends, as you understand, this is a high density fiber skin, and by high press molding, The doors are manufactured in Hyderabad facility that SM Corporation has. And as Shankarji has mentioned, these can be painted, polished, as per the requirement of the customer. So highly customizable doors, any design, any size, any color can be done. Extremely durable, extremely long life as compared to wooden doors or even plastic doors. Right. So on that note, we get into the details of SM Corporation. So SM Corporation, this is a company based out of Hyderabad and one of the leading manufacturer, distributor, and turnkey contractor for doors, right? And an exclusive technology and brand partner for Masonite in India. So all Masonite products that they are selling across 60 countries are available in India through SM Corporation only, right? The company has a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Hyderabad, which is spread across 1.2 lakh square feet. 60 plus full-time employees engaged in the production facility. And then company also has sales offices across the country in key markets like Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Lucknow. So in that sense, company is well spread across the country, enjoys a very good reputation, rapport with real estate developers, builders, which of course we can pass on to our franchise partners in respective markets. Moving ahead, we're discussing three sort of products here. Skin molded doors, as we just discussed, then laminated doors, and a third is designer veneer doors. So veneer doors is also a very exciting emerging category today, with especially the five-star hospitality, large bungalows, villas. They're looking at veneer doors as a very good addition to their setup. Some of the images to showcase the application of this product. And as you can see, all interior pictures, you can see the rooms, the dining area. Then on this side, you have the lobby area, kitchen area. So all these applications you see, mostly indoors that company has put. Some more pictures on the next slide. So even for a bathroom, which is heavy on water usage, this product works very well. So what is the value proposition SM Corporation is able to bring? One, of course, it brings the value in terms of the product, superior options, more configuration and exceptional quality. Given the company's own experience and expertise in door production, plus now the association with Masonite doors, so that becomes a very exciting combination for to be offered, right? Then variety, as we looked at 3 doors plus other opportunities that company has. Focus on quality, highly durable, long-lasting doors that company wants to bring. Innovation towards strong R&D team to continue to develop new products, innovate on the product as per the market requirements, designs and style. So in that sense, a very strong value proposition that company is able to offer for our channel partners, franchisee partners. Some of leading real estate developers in South and West India market, especially if you look at Shapoorji Pallonji, Raheja, Unitech, Tata Housing, JP Group, some of the very big names in real estate segment, and some names from North India also, like Whipple, Eldeco, Logix. JP is Delhi NCR based. So well spread in terms of their association across the country with real estate developers. So this then brings us to our third section, which is talking about the overall India opportunity and the market for doors. So we see a potential to do 9.5 million doors by 2024. That's an annual sales that we're looking at. And Masonite holds potential to become next preferred material to replace wood as a door raw material. And this is what company is able to achieve in most of the markets they are present today, especially in European markets and in US. It is fast replacing wood as an alternate option for interior doors. And this is what we expect to happen in India also, once we start this in the market, right? From the opportunity point of view, Indian real estate is a large and growing market. And key segments: residential space, commercial space, retail, hospitality, and sales. From an opportunity for the doors, residential space, as we discussed earlier, both individual houses and projects is a major segment for this product. You saw earlier that 73% of sales is in residential projects in North America. And that's what we are expecting in India also. Alongside commercial space, which is office, would be a very exciting opportunity also. And then hospitality, hotels. This is also an exciting opportunity to look at. So then we look at economic growth and urbanization, pushing for demand in both B2B and B2C space for residential. Similarly, demand for residential to continue to grow, and this will automatically push the demand for the doors also. And with a more awareness, more knowledge about better products and services, you will see people switching from wooden doors, like we saw people moving to UPVC or plastic. And now we expect this to shift to what Masonite is offering today. Similarly, hospitality also, hotel industry across the top 10 markets, with new development happening, this would see a lot of development and replacement also happening. Rising tourist numbers boosting the hospitality segment. And similarly, office market overview also. Office development would also see a great demand for doors coming in. So overall, friends, we see these top 8 markets in the country where a significant amount of construction is happening across the categories: residential, hospitality, office space, and commercial. We see a good demand coming from these markets. So then, how can you now join us in this project, right? So that's what we will talk about here in the franchise proposal section. As discussed, these are top 25 markets where we see a strong potential for setting up these franchisee stores. Of course, company based out of Hyderabad, so now want to focus on Telangana and Andhra Pradesh in phase 1. But overall plan is to get to these 25 markets across the country where we see a demand for such products. So what is the structure? So Masonite and SM Corporation at the top. We then bring in 3 opportunities for our franchises. One is a retail EBO franchise, which means you're setting up a retail store, exclusive brand outlet, with an opportunity to do B2C and B2B both. Then we have an asset-light franchise, which means you're not setting up any retail store as such, but directly working with B2B segment primarily to generate business orders. So not maintaining any office, any showroom, but directly reaching out to B2B network of builders, real estate developers, and getting orders from them, right? right? And third opportunity is where we see a larger operator with an option to set up a warehouse facility plus a retail store. So idea for this warehouse facility is to be able to create local supplies within the city, and he can then supply to the other two franchisees also. We'll talk about more on this in the next few slides here. Yeah. So three opportunities available, as I said. From a price points point of view, average MRP per door is INR 6,000 rupees. That is an average MRP for a door, 6,000 rupees. Typical project sales, what we see is between 75,000 to 100,000 rupee, which means on an average 15 to 20 doors order value is what we're looking at. A very important aspect to note here, friends, is that stock transfer is on consignment basis. So as a franchisee, you're not holding any stocks, right? So your key role would be to bring in business orders, confirmed orders, and then company will directly fulfill these orders from their warehouse in Hyderabad. As we discussed, we're also looking at a franchise partner who would set up a warehouse alongside the showroom. So then this partner is able to ensure supplies within the city, right? Three opportunities here and different gross margin structures, different investment levels also. First is our exclusive showroom, which is a typical 300 square feet showroom. Attracts an investment of 5 lakh rupees or so, including a franchise fee of 2 lakh rupees and other investment in terms of setting up the showroom. Only inventory that you would be carrying here is the display inventory, which is just 40,000 rupees, or ideally 6 to 7 doors just to showcase to retail customers, right? It is not for sale. This is a display inventory. Okay. Similarly, the second opportunity is warehouse and a showroom, where we're looking at a warehouse of 300 square feet plus a showroom of 300. The only difference here is that you're carrying a slightly heavy inventory of 5 lakh rupees as against the 40,000 in the previous model. As I said, in this opportunity, you're able to supply inventory to other two franchise partners and also to directly to the customer also. Again, the inventory is on consignment basis. It is not billed to you, right? Asset light model, just investment of franchise fee 1 lakh rupee and you get started immediately. No retail showroom required. So you become like a freelance agent for the company who's bringing in the business orders, right? In terms of the margins, three opportunities and three different margin structures. For an exclusive showroom, it is 12% on retail and 5% on project sales. Similarly, second case is 15% on retail and 6% on projects. While the asset light model, it's 5% retail and 1% on projects. Low margins because there is very limited investment, no office required, no inventory to be held. Just get the orders and you get 5% on retail orders, 1% on project value. On the project orders, right? So, Sayedji, I would like to invite you here to talk a little bit more on the financial structure, please. Hello.
Hello, Ali.
Now it's okay.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Hi, everyone. I am Mr. Ali from Masonite Doors. You all know that already Anshul has introduced, like Masonite Door is international brands doors manufacturing company. So I'll just elaborate like showroom revenue, how you are generating exclusive showroom. Like everybody have questions in their mind that how you will get 12% and the project 5%. So we dropped at minimum sale like quarterly. You have a draft of this revenue calculation, Anshul?
Yes, I do have. Yes, I will have to.
Can you just show on the
stop
PPT?
sharing.
Thank you.
Yes, please. Yeah. Now you can see the screen, right?
No, another before that we have like a quarterly. Yeah, 140. Yes. So we draft that one financial model to understand the customers who is taking franchisee, how you will get that percentage what is showed in here. So like quarterly, you can see on the PPT that 140 doors are there. So if in quarterly in 3 months that your target will be 140 and you complete it. So in again quarterly 2, you will have 5% increase of the doors, and same thing it will transfer with quarterly 3 and the quarterly 4. So what you will get in 1 year will be the 1980 doors you will sold. If you sold 1980 sold 80,000 80 1,009 sorry 1980 doors. So what will be the total annual sale will be the 1.18 lakhs 80,000. So that is the complete revenue you are getting that. And if you 1,80,000, if you have that one sale, so you will get in 12% of retail revenue and project revenue. Same thing you can see in the down that quarter 1 and quarter 2, quarter 3, 4 that you have projects like we have average with four projects in a quarterly, and quarter 2 you will have a 5 and quarter 3 will be 7 and quarter 4 will be 6. So in a year you will have like 22 projects if you sell. So then it will be the 18 lakhs 39,000. So that will be the project revenue for that particular amount will be the 5%. And we can show that another PPT next to that one, that
Yes, please.
income statement.
Yes, yes, here it is. So
You
with
can
the
see
total
that
sale of 1 crore 37
total sale
lakhs,
of 13 plus 719,000. So in the gross margin, it's coming 1.51,550. So that
15
will be
lakhs.
like expenses, what we have, like we draw there, like rental admission, marketing, and local marketing expense, central marketing, and HR expenses, and incentives and bonus and utility. And you will have like electricity, telephone, and miscellaneous. Overall, what will be the expenses? So if you minus in that one, so it was 1.221 600. So along what you have invest for the showroom, exclusively I'm talking about the showroom, 5,20,000. So in the year, if you all minus what you have like expenses in whole year, so still you are gaining 3 lakhs rupees approximately. So that will be the 58%. So you can generate the sale more maybe and more. And what we can help you to like electronics media, we are going to advertisement, and from our side, whatever the leads comes and what you need help, like when the customers are there and projects you will get from the constructions or architecture, whatever. So we can come and convince them about our products and what are the agreements we can do for them, and it will help for you also.
Sure.
Thank you, Vincent.
Sure. Thank you very much. So friends, as you saw, for the retail business, companies looking at, ideally at 2,000 doors sale in the year from a B2C point of view, which is averaging at 6,000 rupee average, 2,000 doors. and there you make 12% margin. Similarly, about 25 project deals in the year at an average of 80,000 rupee. So that's 20 lakh rupees business, and you make 5% on that as well. So overall, on a sale of 1.4, 1.5 crores, as a franchisee, you're able to generate a 16, 17 lakh rupee gross margin, annual gross margin. Some of the expenses that you would have is one, of course, the rental for the showroom, a couple of team members, local logistics, and local marketing. So some of these expenses. Overall, 3 to 4 lakh rupee annual earning can easily be generated from this business. So which means with an investment of 5 lakh rupees, you're looking at 15 to 18 months break even in the exclusive showroom format, right? So 2,000 doors at say 6,000 rupees, so that's 1.2 crores, and 25 orders, project orders at say 80,000 rupees, that's 20 lakh rupees. So 1.4 crore sale gives you about 16, 17 lakh rupee gross margin. These are the broad numbers that we should, keep in mind. So of course, these franchisees would be our FO partners, franchise owned, franchisee operated, and very well supported by the company. We're looking at people who already have experience in building material or in doors, windows category. People already have some sort of license or a network with builders, real estate developers. And also very important is ability to work with HNI customer group, because we strongly believe that this product, the early adopters would be the HNI segment because of the quality and the price points. You will see the premium residential projects, villas, bungalows adopting this product. So your ability to work with HNI customer is very, very important for this product to be successful. Ideally, your experience in managing or your experience in building material would be very helpful. Not mandatory, but would be helpful to be a very successful venture for you in this case. Some of the key support functions, of course, the company would work with you to do store development. Ideally, site selection, setting up the showroom with you, then product training, access to existing corporate network. So already company has a strong network with builders, developers across the country. So that we can bring in, and then operational support. Post opening, we continue to innovate on the product side. We bring in online orders, business leads that can be passed on to you. And also on the marketing side, very keen to bring awareness campaigns, online digital campaigns, which will highlight how Masonite door is a better option than other products. So that also helps you in terms of creating a brand pull. At some stage, companies also evaluating celebrity endorsements, which should happen in due course of time. Social media presence, events and sponsorships in relevant events is what company is also planning to do at some stage in future. So very well defined plans company has in terms of putting up a very good venture with Masonite Doors in India. So great reasons to partner the company. Of course, we understand the opportunity in real estate and construction in the market. Brand strengths, very important. Company Masonite is a listed company in US. Global experience and expertise of over 60 countries. Very well accepted product across the world, and now bringing it to India through SM Corporation. SM Corporation itself holds a vast experience in doors production and a strong network with builders in the country. Highly experienced corporate team, well-defined organization structure, large production facility, a growing network of sales offices across the country. So in that sense, a very established group, and also the partnership with Masonite, which is a global leader in this category, right? From a franchisee point of view, the advantages that you have is one, it's a zero investment in stocks. So it's a consignment approach. There's no investment in stock that you need to do. Second, very important, it's a multi-channel opportunity. So you can do B2C, individual houses, then you can do B2B. We can do hospitality, office space, residential. So there's a huge customer segment that we're catering to. It is not limited to just one segment, right? So that helps. Sizable gross margins, and then exciting product range which continues to evolve, and we bring in the experience from 60 countries to bring you the best product. So that's what, friends, I think this should be the end of this. Yes. So again, Masonite doors, this is doors for interior applications. As you can see in this picture also, the lady is walking into a house, and this is a interior door that's opening inside the house. So that's what, and with that, we will end the presentation, please.
Thank you so much, Anshul. And friends, thank you. I see already some questions in the Q&A box. And I will request anybody who has any questions kindly to be written in the Q&A box, and we'll read these questions on your behalf. And friends, do also mention the city of your interest. I see some participants raising their hands. I think Venkatji, Pradeepji, Susan Sahuji. I'll request, we cannot unmute. So whatever questions you have, kindly use Q&A and we'll take it up. So very quickly, friends, I think the entire presentation was explained very well. We're talking about this company called Masonite. Masonite is an international brand from America. They're currently present in about 60 countries across the globe. In India, SM Corporation has exclusive rights of the company. And SM Corporation, they also have one of the very big state-of-the-art plant in Hyderabad, where the entire manufacturing happens. So we talk about 3 formats, which starts as small as 300 square feet for an exclusive showroom, goes up to 600 square feet, where you're also required to have additional warehouse facility, where additional stock can also be housed. And third is a asset-light model, as we have put in the presentation. That is typically a sales agent structure, where anybody who comes with similar background, is dealing with similar business, can also becomes a sales agent. Any business which comes from such a sales agent, there's a commission structure which goes in, which is about 5%, because this does not require any kind of infrastructure, does not require any kind of stock. It's so friends, I'll take your questions, one by one, and I'll start with, the first and foremost, if Shankarji, you or Mr. Ali, if you can answer that, if you talk about the industry at large, what do you see is, the current competitive landscape, kya competition exists karta hai, and how is our product of Masonite different to the other products which are available in the market? And I would say both in terms of maybe the value that we're offering to our end consumer, the product that we're offering to the end consumer. Over to you, Shankarji. Shankarji.
Shankar sir, you need to unmute.
Not sure if
Mr. Ali, you can answer that, in terms of how the product is better than wood or the other opportunities available in the market. Please unmute.
Yeah, Masonite is already a leading company in manufacturing doors, and they are all, if you see other companies, the molding skins, they doesn't come, and the price wise, it's very economically, And when the time warranty of the doors also is to 15 to 20 years, and it's very lightweighted, and everyone can afford it. And it is a waterproof doors. If you see other doors in winter season and rain season, it will be more difficult for other woods. For these masonite doors, you don't have that one also. It's all will be safe with that one. Weather
So thanks,
and
Ali.
quality wise,
हाँ जी.
उसमें क्वालिटी एक बेहतरीन तरीके से जो स्किन मोल्डेड है,
हाँ जी.
जहाँ पर ये लोग खुद मैन्युफैक्चर करके यहाँ पर इंडिया में आते हैं, इंडिया में नहीं बन रहा है, तो उसका जो क्वालिटी है पूरा चेक होने के बाद आपको यहाँ पर वो लोग सेंड करते हैं. तो इंडिया में जो डोर्स बनते हैं वो डायरेक्ट एक फर्नीचर शॉप में मिलता है आपको, वहाँ पर क्वालिटी नहीं रहती, और यानी तो आप खुद बनाते हैं तो वो सब मेंटेन नहीं होता. और इट इज़ वेरी इजी लाइक टू गेट यू द डोर्स. आपको अगर कोई डोर होना है तो इमीडिएटली नहीं मिलता. यह आपको हम 3 to 4 वीक्स में आपको 200 क्वांटिटीज चाहिए, 500 क्वांटिटीज चाहिए, एंड यू विल गेट इमीडिएटली इन 3 to 4 वीक्स. इतना बड़ा क्वांटिटी कोई भी आपको इंडिया लेवल में कोई भी आपको नहीं दे सकता. इवन इफ यू वांट 2000 doors also, in 3 to 4 weeks we will arrange it in that quantity. I will tell you that nobody, any other company can give you that one.
Sure, Alaji, that's very helpful. And friends, like I mentioned, they already have a huge manufacturing plant in Hyderabad where all the production happens.
It's
So,
a 1,20,000 square feet, and
Yeah.
it build area is 80,000.
and I'll quickly also take some questions from our audience, Alaji. I'll take one question from Mr. Pradeep Kumar. And, this is on the overall SKUs that we have. कितने तरीके के हमारे पास doors हैं, कितने SKUs हमारे पास हैं. If we can talk about that, अगर कोई brochure या कोई हमारे पास document है which we can even share to our investors, I feel it will be helpful.
Anshul, I will request
Can
you, you
show,
have any
now, yes.
molded doors panels you have?
I will show. I will show. Sir.
Actually, we have 12 types of doors. You can
Here is
see
ma'am.
in the PPT.
Yes, here is.
It is like harmony doors, single panel, and 2 panels,
2 panel,
7 panels, 4
6
panels.
panel.
And
And
what
then,
you
we
see that
also
on
have
that
a
one, the
second
shapes of that is
sheet.
the skin. It's coming from the
Where we
USA.
talk about veneer doors, laminate doors, and other products. So it's a complete range that company has, not just 3 SKUs.
Yeah, can you show that only the molded doors what we are discussing? Because
Yes,
this is the one that we are going to be have a franchise for, especially these doors. The 12 types of doors we have. So all the doors which manufacturing the above, you can see that the skin comes from the USA.
So the skin comes from US and then it is hard pressed on the board.
Here in Hyderabad.
Correct. To get the right.
So the quality what you are getting from the for all the weathers, like हर weather के हिसाब से जो quality वो लोग maintain करके आपको उसपे proof, waterproof बोलिए, आप weather proof बोलिए, ये पूरा, और उसपे आप you can notice that one, जो जितना आप अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो you cannot say that somebody has like अभी कारपेंटर उस पे वर्क करते हैं तो वैसा दिख रहा है पूरा completely. और उसमें two advantage what you have that you can go with the polish one or either you can enamel paint also. तो अदर डोर्स में नहीं रहता, आपको पॉलिश करना है तो जैसा सागवान है तो पॉलिश ही करना पड़ेगा, you can't do the enamel paint. And I told you like if you compare with other doors, any company XYZ, price wise economically it's very purchasable with anyone in middle class and lower middle class nowadays. If you are like you are building a house for 20 lakhs and 15 lakhs for G+2, or buildings that who are interested for construction, they are affordable for that one price, and because of this quality. And builders who are interested and who are in the market already architecture and they want in 20,000 doors in a 3 to 4 weeks, I think nobody can manufacture and give it that one. Then we can supply that one.
Right.
This is helpful because I had a lot of questions which I'm seeing in the Q&A on the portfolio product that we have, and we also had Mr. Sushant asking the list of products. So, and the company only specializes in Masonite, no other product, and only doors is what the specialization is, because I'm also
Yes.
seeing a lot of our investors asking on if we have other products also. So Aliji, a couple of more questions, and so one, I would also like to understand, what becomes, the typical obligation of a franchise partner, so to say, and what all activities would he carry from his outlet? Like you mentioned, the role of him would be to acquire business. The entire delivery fulfillment is done by the company.
That is very important. That what you just said the question. When you take the order of example 200 doors, so you don't have that to carry your burden, that all will carry by the SN Corporation. Only you need to take the advance of say 60 to 70% amount and send the what are the sizes of the doors, and we will fulfill and we will deliver directly to the client.
So
And this model, why we are like exclusively for, I'll explain you for the showroom, that 5,20,000 we are taking, because we want wherever in India, the same showroom should be uniformity. That's why we are taking like initial fit out cost, office equipment and display inventory, and for the launching budget. So wherever, if you see in India, like Chandigarh or Lucknow or Visakhapatnam, wherever you go, that it will recognize the international name of the Masonite, and it will be uniformity, whatever the interior will be there with us. That is the reason we are charging for 5,20,000.
And Aliji, like you mentioned, the investment, इसमें हमें stock नहीं रखना है, सारी की सारी inventory company hold करती है. जो role होगा partner का, they need to open an experience outlet where customers, clients, both B2B, B2C can come, they can experience the product, they will take the orders. All these orders will be given to you for further installation, which means the franchise partner need not have any additional cost for the installation. सारा installation आप करेंगे. Franchisee का जो role होगा वो acquisition तक रहेगा.
Yeah. Orders लेने का, only the customer has to pay for the delivery charges, the transportation, wherever this one. But for the franchisee who is taking these orders, only they have to forward this one, and all the things we will manage here in the company itself.
Sure. Actually, I see a couple of questions from Mr. Sudhakar, और ये भी मैं लूंगी in the interest of all the audience. So एक हमने B2B की बात की थी business की, और एक हमने B2C की बात की थी. So what he wants to know, if you look at these two, अगर हम B2B and B2C की बात करते हैं, तो इसमें जो revenue या sales हमारा होता है, ideally क्या वो हमारा share रहता है B2B and B2C में? And maybe another question which is linked was also, who has to provide after sales service? Is there something called after sales service also after installation which is needed? Yeah.
So installation is done by with customer only, not we are only in the product we will supply to customer.
So is there anything called after sales service? Is there any kind of servicing which is required? Is what was the question. And the other was B2B and B2C में जो sales हमारा रहता है. We've talked about certain number of doors in 1 year. And उसमें B2B कितना business आता है, उसमें B2C ideal composition क्या होना चाहिए?
So ma'am, I'll answer that question. In fact, as we discussed in the presentation also, we're looking at from a B2C point of view, 2,000 doors at 6,000 rupee. So that's 1.2 crore annual revenue, and 25 project orders at about 80,000 to 1 lakh rupee average. So that's 20-25 lakh rupee business. So ideally, if you look at a 1.5 crore annual sales, this would be 80-20, 80% B2C, 20% B2B. And B2C franchisee has 12% margins, and B2B franchisee has 5% in the exclusive showroom model.
Sure, that's helpful. Anshul and friends, very quickly, if you have more questions, please put these questions. And Pradeep ji, you're looking for somebody to speak to, and we're holding a discovery day जहाँ पे आप 1-to-1 meeting कर सकते हैं. And like I mentioned, the current focus is only in AP and Telangana, where the company wants to reach out. तीन अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, एक्सक्लूसिव भी कर सकते हैं आप, एंड यू कैन आल्सो बिकम अ सेल्स एजेंट वेयर यू ऑलरेडी हैव एग्जिस्टिंग पीपल यू रीच आउट टू। एंड एक क्वेश्चन जो और है अली जी, मैं ले रही हूँ मिस्टर सुशांत साहू जी से। ही इज आस्किंग हाउ अबाउट एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफेक्ट या डैमेज्ड पीसेस होते हैं, उसका कोई रिटर्न पॉलिसी, वारंटी ऑप्शंस हम अपने क्लाइंट को देते हैं कि नहीं देते?
Yes,
बिकॉज आई सॉ दैट कमिंग फ्रॉम
definitely.
वन ऑफ आवर।
Yeah.
What you asked that about the warranty, we have 5 years warranty, and if anything defective from the manufacturing, definitely we will have exchange with the new one, or if it is repairable, then we will do it all. And when we have a sticker, we will put it there, how you have to do, all the instructions is there completely. So according to, if you take it, then there is no damage. And definitely if there is damage, company will respond immediately, and whatever we have to do, we will do it immediately.
Sure. But I'll also take, I think I have a very interesting, profile, and इस पे मैं question भी पूछना चाहती हूँ because ये business very specific to people who understand this industry, so
Yes.
एक तो अगर आप बता सकें क्या right profile है, because I'm seeing Mr. Pradeep Kumar, I think from Hyderabad, he says he has a vast experience in the industry and specially specialized, I would say, in the door segment or the industry. So
Okay.
एक तो प्रोफाइल हमारी क्या रहेगी हमारे पार्टनर्स की, if that can be something that you can also help us. And the other question Pradeep ji is also asking is, when we put an exclusive outlet, would that be called Masonite Doors or would that be called SMC, because that's a parent company, which is your company that has taken the rights of Masonite, and Masonite is the international brand. So, what is the
No,
branding
it
of
will
the outlet?
it will be the Masonite only. That only I mentioned you why we are taking 5,20,000. It should be wherever in India when we will open, it will be Masonite only. SM Corporation will only for the manufacture and to supply the doors, but
Sure.
the name will be Masonite anywhere in India.
Sure.
So that uniformity we want. If you go there in Chandigarh, it should be Masonite only. When you see walk in, Chana madam, then you will see, oh, this is Masonite. If you go in Delhi, then you will see the Masonite only. So that we, it's a, that's only we want on.
Sure. And क्या प्रोफाइल आप एडवाइस करेंगे मिस्टर अली? व्हाट इज द आइडियल प्रोफाइल ऑफ पीपल?
पीपल का प्रोफाइल इसमें रिलेटेड होना चाहिए मैडम, लाइक आप आर्किटेक्चर हो या बिल्डर्स हो या कंस्ट्रक्शन में हो या ऑलरेडी आपके पास डोर्स का कोई वुडन आप एक्सपीरियंस हो, या और आपके पास ऑलरेडी कोई शोरूम है और आप उसको मैसोनाइट में कन्वर्ट करना चाह रहे, तो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू डू द सेल्स इन देयर ओन सिटीज एंड दे विल हैव अ लिंक डेफिनेटली. तो उसलिए अब एक अननोन पर्सन इसमें आएगा तो उसमें उसको एडवांटेजेस वेरी लेस. डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू सपोर्ट देम, बट इट शुड बी इन अ रिलेटेड बिजनेस ऑलरेडी. इट्स स्पेशली कंस्ट्रक्शंस, आर्किटेक्चर और व्हाट यू विल से बिल्डर्स.
That's helpful. And अमर रेड्डी जी इज आस्किंग, अगर हमें किसी भी शहर में या सिटी में खोलते हैं, टिपिकली हमारे कितने फ्रेंचाइजीज हम देखते हैं सिटी में? आई थिंक व्हाट हिज क्वेश्चन इज, अगर वो खोलते हैं आसपास कोई दूसरा लोकेशन पे कोई खुल जाता है तो कितना डिस्टेंस भी हम रखना चाहते हैं? और अगर आप एक दो सिटीज के एग्जांपल देके बता सके, अगर हैदराबाद में हम खोलते हैं तो क्या हम पोटेंशियल देखते हैं हैदराबाद सिटी में, और क्या दूरी रहेगी एक हमारे फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर से दूसरे?
अब देखिए उसमें हैदराबाद में तो खैर ऑलरेडी हम लोग का है पूरा होल्ड. SM कॉर्पोरेशन जो मैसोनाइट के ऊपर डील कर रहे हैं, हम लोग का शोरूम है ऑलरेडी सिकंदराबाद में. इफ एनीबॉडी वांट टू कम एंड विजिट इन हैदराबाद, दे कैन कम इन क्लॉक टावर. और रहा बात हम लोग मेजर सिटीज में, जहाँ जैसा गाजियाबाद है, लखनऊ है, दिल्ली है, चंडीगढ़ है और बेंगलुरु है, सो वी विल हैव टू मेंटेन वन फ्रेंचाइजी इन द वन सिटी ओनली. इफ ही केपेबल like to do all surrounding like 50 kilometers, 40 kilometers, 100 kilometers, then we don't need to have another franchise. If we'll see he couldn't able to do, then we have to give to another person for franchise. If that is the only the thing he has to do, that he has to manage completely the city.
Sure. So what you're saying is हम बड़ी टेरिटरी देंगे जहाँ पे जो भी पोटेंशियल उस टेरिटरी का है, अगर एक पार्टनर उसको कर सकता है, then you would not give that location to anybody else.
तो इसलिए आपको if you see that why the godowns come showroom we have, that if he manage and he can supply from the godowns also, retail sales and like bulk sales, projects में मिल गया तो हम उनको सप्लाई करेंगे. और if we open another franchisee, he couldn't able to go from other like districts like 40 about 50 kilometers, 70 kilometers, then if we give also the franchisee, then he can communicate with the retail sales to them only.
Sure. See, I'll couple of 1-2 questions quickly because we already, touched our last few minutes that we are left with. So Pradeep ji is looking for Nellore, Tirupati. Pradeep ji, this location is open, and your experience absolutely matters because you have insights in the industry. And we have a question from Mr. Bapi Reddy ji. He's asking, what is the life of these doors? Life of the doors.
More than 20 years, ma'am. If it is well maintained. Well maintained because it's already, I told you, the weatherproof and waterproof is there, and it's well maintained and it is not outdoor, it's the interior door.
30-35 years.
Helpful. And I see a lot of technical questions, on the product quality, what kind of features so friends, my request would be, we're open for all major locations. And like Ali ji mentioned, we're not looking for many partners in the same city. Somebody who would open would get exclusive rights also, provided he's able to cater to the potential of the location. And again, I would repeat, you have 3 opportunities. One is exclusive showroom, the other is showroom plus warehousing, and third is you already in the business, you can become an agent and take a flat commission. So Ali ji, one question which I was thinking, जो हमारा इन्वेंट्री है इसमें हमने रखना नहीं है आउटलेट पे, जो हमारा बड़ा वाला वेयर हाउस वाला है उसमें हमारा 5 लाख हमने लिखा हुआ है, तो वो सिर्फ डिस्प्ले है या वो 5 लाख आपका इन्वेंट्री भी इंक्लूड करता है?
नहीं, that is definitely it's a 5 lakhs inventory only, madam. It's not display is a different and inventory. वो इन्वेंट्री में आप जैसा रिटेल सेल्स कर रहे हैं, आप 10 doors चाहिए, जैसा G+2 बना रहा है, तो maybe he need 10 to 12 doors. So from that one he can use that all inventory stock, and whatever then again new one he order, then we will give it to him also. All so right. It's included in the inventory to sell the stocks.
And कोई भी ऐसी इन्वेंट्री जो स्लो मूविंग है नहीं जाती, वो रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं हमारे पार्टनर्स? एनी इन्वेंट्री?
No.
So slow
inventory only for exchange, he says.
Because आपका पूरा इन्वेंट्री कंसाइनमेंट पे रहेगा, क्योंकि एक मॉडल पे तो सिर्फ डिस्प्ले रहेगा 40,000 का, पर दूसरे में हमारा 5 लाख का स्टॉक भी रहेगा.
Yes, madam.
Sure, Shankar ji. So friends, I'll request 28th December is the day we're doing a discovery, and you can all get in touch with us. We have our teams in Hyderabad office, which are handling the project, and they will reach out to everybody who's joined the webinar today. And especially Mr. Pradeep ji, you want to speak to somebody, and we'll try and look for a time today itself. While the discovery day is 28th of December, all of you want to meet, talk, and visit the center in Sikandrabad, especially people who are around. I would recommend please go and do that. And anybody who's outside these locations would want to come on a call to know more features of the product and what the value you get as a franchisee. We'll help you connect with the team of Masonite Doors, and we'll start blocking time, friends, for all of you. Anybody who's not available on 28th, we'll get you in touch based on the convenience of both you as well as the company. And Pradeep ji, and after the webinar, we'll have Ms. Chandani from Hyderabad who would reach out to you, and we'll set up a time between yourself and Mr. Ali and Shankar ji to take discussion forward. And before we close, Ali ji and Shankar ji, I'll request if there's a message that you want to give, a closing remark आपकी तरफ से हमारे सारे audience जो आपको आज सुन रहे हैं.
Okay.
Thank you, Archana. I'd like to tell you that Masonite in future, how we grow in North America and Europe, and it will be the second or first largest maybe it can come, because if you see the area wise, we are bigger than UK. So one of the fastest growing, I can say, because if you see the graph, what also Anshul has shown you in the previous, that construction, hotel industries, hospital industries are growing in future. So definitely Masonite will also grow that.
Sure, absolutely. Friends, and find more information on the date that we are looking forward to blocking your time. And Ashna, can I now request you to kindly take it over?
Sure. So thank you so much, Shankar ji. Thank you so much, Ali ji, for joining in today. We would like to thank Sonia ma'am, Anshul for being part of this particular webinar. Thank you, friends, for joining in today. Please do connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838. We also request you to share your feedback and suggestion with us at our different social handles. And in case you wish to join Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their LinkedIn platform, we are sharing the information on the screen. Tanika, can we just go to, yeah, that's the LinkedIn IDs for Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. Do subscribe their LinkedIn links as well as platform. And tomorrow, under our business opportunity over chai webinar series, we are bringing another big retail opportunity for all of you, Dr. Kumar's, the brand which is known for its different categories under health cafe and wellness products. So don't miss this chance. Join us tomorrow to understand their 3 different models they are offering in market. Do registration with us. Registration is free of cost as well as very easy to get it. Just join us at our Facebook page where we have shared the registration link, or connect with us at our business hotline number. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you.